In a small, quaint village, nestled between rolling hills, lived a young boy named Tom. Tom was known for his curiosity and his knack for getting into trouble, but he was also known for his honesty. He believed in his heart that telling the truth was the right thing to do, no matter the circumstances. One day, while playing near the village market, Tom saw an old woman struggling with a heavy basket of apples. Always eager to help, he rushed over and offered to carry the basket for her. The old woman, grateful for his assistance, gave him a shiny red apple as a token of appreciation. As Tom walked back home, he noticed something unusual. Inside the apple was a small piece of parchment with a map drawn on it. Intrigued, Tom followed the map, which led him to an abandoned barn on the outskirts of the village. Hidden under a loose floorboard, he found a small chest filled with gold coins. Tom's eyes widened in disbelief. He had never seen so much money in his life. He knew his family was struggling to make ends meet, and this treasure could change their lives forever. But then, he remembered the old woman's kind eyes and how she had trusted him. The next day, Tom went back to the market and found the old woman. He showed her the map and the treasure he had found. The old woman smiled warmly and said, "Tom, you have proven that honesty is indeed the best policy. This treasure belonged to my late husband, who was a merchant. He left it hidden for someone deserving to find. You have shown that you are deserving, not because you found the gold, but because you chose to be honest about it." She then told Tom to keep a portion of the treasure for his family and use the rest to help the village. Tom's family never struggled again, and the village flourished with the old woman's generosity and Tom's unwavering honesty. And so, Tom's story became a legend in the village, a constant reminder that honesty is the best policy, and that doing the right thing will always bring its own rewards.